parasocial relationships. In the modern world of media and digital communication, people often feel deeply connected to individuals they have never met in real life. These one-sided emotional connections are known as parasocial relationships. In simple terms, a parasocial relationship is a bond that a person forms with a media figure, such as a celebrity, television character, or online content creator, where the individual feels a sense of closeness, trust, and familiarity, even though the other person does not know them personally or interact with them directly in a meaningful way. The idea of parasocial relationships first became noticeable during the time of radio and television, when audiences began forming attachments to actors, presenters, and public figures they saw or heard regularly. People would begin to feel as if they personally knew a news anchor or a television host simply because they watched them every day. However, with the rapid growth of the internet and social media platforms, these relationships have become much more intense, personal, and widespread. Today, individuals can follow their favorite personalities closely, watch their daily routines, observe their personal lives, and even engage with them through comments, likes, and live sessions, which creates a powerful illusion of direct interaction and personal connection. One of the most important features of parasocial relationships is that they are one-sided in nature. The viewer or follower invests time, emotional energy, and attention into the relationship, while the media figure usually remains completely unaware of their existence. Despite this lack of mutual interaction, the follower may feel that the relationship is real, meaningful, and emotionally significant. For example, a person who regularly watches a content creator may begin to feel that the creator understands them, shares their beliefs, or speaks directly to their personal experiences. This feeling can become so strong that the follower may think of the media figure as a friend or someone emotionally close to them. These relationships often develop because of repeated exposure and familiarity. When individuals see the same person frequently on their screens, they begin to feel comfortable with them, similar to how familiarity develops in real-life relationships. Over time, this repeated exposure creates a sense of trust and emotional attachment. Media figures who share personal stories, emotions, struggles, and daily experiences appear more relatable and human, which further strengthens the connection. As a result, followers may feel emotionally invested in the lives of these personalities, celebrating their successes and feeling concerned during their difficult times. Another key factor in the development of parasocial relationships is the style of self-presentation used by media figures. Many content creators communicate in a direct and informal way, speaking to the camera as if they are talking to a close friend. They often share behind-the-scenes moments, personal opinions, and details about their everyday lives. This approach creates a sense of intimacy and closeness, making the audience feel included and valued. Even though the interaction is limited, the tone and style of communication make it feel personal and genuine, which strengthens the emotional bond between the audience and the media figure. Parasocial relationships can have several positive effects on individuals. For many people, especially those who experience loneliness or social isolation, these relationships can provide a sense of companionship and emotional comfort. Watching a favorite creator or following a public figure can make individuals feel connected to a larger community and reduce feelings of loneliness. These relationships can also be a source of inspiration and motivation. For instance, people may learn new skills, gain knowledge, or develop positive habits by following creators who share educational or motivational content. A person might feel encouraged to improve their lifestyle, pursue their goals, or adopt healthier behaviors after being influenced by someone they admire online. However, parasocial relationships can also have negative consequences if they become too intense or unbalanced. Because these relationships are not mutual, they can lead to unrealistic expectations. a follower may begin to expect attention, recognition, or emotional support from a media figure, which is unlikely to happen. When these expectations are not met, it can result in feelings of disappointment, frustration, or even emotional distress. In extreme cases, individuals may become overly attached, spending excessive time following a particular personality and neglecting their real-life responsibilities, relationships, and social interactions. Another important issue is the difference between reality and the image presented online. Media figures often share a carefully selected version of their lives, highlighting positive moments, achievements, and attractive aspects while hiding struggles, failures, and negative experiences. This creates an idealized image that may not reflect reality. When followers compare their own lives to these polished representations, they may feel inadequate, insecure, or dissatisfied. This constant comparison can affect self-esteem and mental well-being, especially among young people who are more influenced by social media content. Technology and platform design play a significant role in strengthening parasocial relationships. Features such as likes, comments, shares, and live streaming create a sense of interaction and immediacy. When a content creator responds to a comment, mentions a follower, or reacts during a live session, it can feel like a personal connection, even if it is brief and limited. Algorithms also contribute by continuously showing users content from the same creators, increasing exposure and deepening the emotional bond. This repeated engagement makes the relationship feel more consistent and meaningful over time. It is important to understand that parasocial relationships are a natural outcome of human social behavior. Humans have a strong need for connection, belonging, and emotional engagement, and media provides new ways to fulfill these needs. However, it is equally important to maintain a healthy balance between online connections and real-life relationships. Individuals should recognize that parasocial relationships are one-sided and should not replace genuine interactions with family, friends, and community members. Being aware of this distinction can help people manage their expectations and avoid emotional overinvestment. In everyday life, parasocial relationships are very common, especially among younger generations who spend a significant amount of time online. Following influencers, watching videos, and engaging with digital content has become a regular part of daily routines. These interactions can be enjoyable, meaningful, and even beneficial, but they should be balanced with real-world experiences and relationships. Spending time with loved ones, participating in social activities, and building real-life connections remain essential for emotional well-being. In conclusion, parasocial relationships are one-sided emotional bonds that individuals form with media figures, including celebrities, television personalities, and online content creators. They are shaped by repeated exposure, personal style of communication, and the interactive features of digital platforms. While they can provide comfort, inspiration, and a sense of connection, they can also lead to unrealistic expectations, comparison, and emotional dependence if not managed carefully. By understanding these relationships, individuals can use media more responsibly and maintain a healthy balance between their online and offline lives, ensuring that digital connections enhance rather than replace real human interaction. If you found this explanation helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to learn sociology in a simple and engaging way.